So we're at IKEA. We're here. We've arrived. We've made it. We've made it. IKEA, guys. We're at IKEA. Amale. Only daddy's dancing. Only daddy's dancing. Are you going to join him?
I will.
Okay, go on then.
You are my dancing queen, young and sweet, only 4 years old.
Okay.
Here we go. It's IKEA time. Woohoo! It's like being in a little bit of Sweden.
Do you think it's going to be as big as the Shanghai one?
I doubt it. Nothing's as big as Shanghai. Scan is exit.
Oh, sorry.
How long have you been in Germany? Look, Eingang, this way. Eingang, it's the way in, my darling. Some people get excited when they go into IKEA. Magic doors.
It is time, Kiki. We've got some magic doors. It's walking you on the bottom now. We've made it. Welcome to IKEA.
Hi. So we've just seen you walking through IKEA and we're wondering if you'd want to be the face of our store here in Kaiserslautern, Deutschland.
Really?
You're the most beautiful woman we've seen ever.
I'll have to think about it.
Oh, you've got plenty of engagements and appointments.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll get back to you.
Okay.
Are you guys going to push the trolleys? We can't have anyone left out, can we, Kiki? Are you going to push as well, baby?
What are you doing? You've made a game.
Yeah.
Careful, Michael. There's plates everywhere. Breakable.
Kiki.
Yeah. I'm a woman. Hi, Kian.
Ice cream time.
Wait, look here, look. Wait in there. And here. Look. Wait. Okay, get it.